Okay, something crazy happened today. I got free money. I don't know how else to explain this, but hear me out. These meditations work. But also, I think because I pair them with EFT tapping, I'm shifting my energy so quickly. Anyway, I'm doing Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations every day. This is day 19 and 20. I want to talk about them together because I'm doing a new meditation right now. I was doing generating gratitude for about a week, and now I'm doing his generating abundance meditation. And when I say I saw results immediately in my reality, I am still in shock. Okay, so a few days ago, I uploaded a video about how the point of doing these meditations is to feel the shift within and not to look for evidence outside of you. So all you need to do is feel abundant within, because the shift happens inside of you first, and then you see it outside of you. But I can tell just by doing his generating abundance meditation twice now, I'm already scanning my reality for abundance instead of lack. And this just happens so naturally for me. And I just find myself looking for everything that's going right in my life instead of everything that's not going according to plan or like according to how I would like it to be. I just find myself in a state of surrender so much more easier now. And I just have like this deep knowing and trust that I'm guided and I'm okay and everything is okay. And I'm fine. And it doesn't matter what is happening on the outside. I'm always going to be okay. Basically, I just feel like no matter what my reality looks like on the outside, I feel secure within. So anyway, I went to this event with a friend of mine here in Jakarta. It was like a business conference, and we had no idea that there were like door prizes. So you just drop your name card and I guess they pick winners at the end of it. I had no information of this whatsoever. But anyway, we attend this event. I wasn't even there for long. I was maybe there for like less than an hour. So we were about to leave and this girl runs up to me and hands me an envelope. And I was like, what is this? And she's like, oh, this is for you. And I was like, I don't understand. Why? And she's like, just take it. This is yours. And I look inside the envelope and it was cash. And I was so confused because I'm like, why am I getting free money? But also I'm like open to receiving it. And she's like, we hand out prizes at the end of this event and you were chosen as one of the like recipient of it. So apparently other people won other stuff as well, like hotel stays and vouchers, but I just won cash. So I'm standing there still confused because I've never attended an event where they give me cash, but apparently it's a normal thing here. I was telling my friend about it and she's like, you know, a lot of events do this. And I was like, okay, well, I've never been to one that does this. But anyway, here I am. But I just find it so interesting that this happened right after I switched to my meditation from generating gratitude to generating abundance. I mean, there's no coincidences here. I don't know. What do you guys think? And I also think that combining EFT tapping with these meditations is just the perfect combo. And I know that there's so many questions about EFT and how I do it. I will answer those questions as well. But if you ever want to learn more about tapping, I have a course, not mandatory, by the way. I'm just telling you, it's called Become Magnetic. It's literally the only EFT tapping course you will ever need. I've been doing the tapping to become magnetic and to become a love magnet. And that doesn't mean like romantic love, but it's just in general being tuned into the frequency of love. And honestly, look at all the love and abundance I'm experiencing. It's just so magical. If you want to join, a link at the top of my page. Would love to have you in there. But if you have any other questions regarding Dr. Joe, drop them in the comments below. I'm just so excited about the next few days and what's going to happen. I'm actually traveling to Bangkok tomorrow, so I'm like filming as many videos as I can. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Follow for more, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.